Hey there, friends. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of smart wearables with the amazing JAKCOM R5 Smart Ring. This little piece of technology has so much to offer, and I'm excited to share all the details with you. First and foremost, I have to say that this ring is the ultimate fusion of style and functionality. With its unique Tai Chi color theme and double-sided design, the JAKCOM R5 is a true fashion statement. It's made of fine ceramics, which means it's incredibly durable and scratch-free. But that's just the beginning. The JAKCOM R5 Smart Ring is loaded with features that will seriously up your game. From wireless flash disk capabilities to support for Apple shortcuts and Mi smart home integration, this ring does it all. It's even equipped with 6 RFID cards that coexist without conflict, allowing you to access everything from access control cards to parking cards with ease. But that's not all. The JAKCOM R5 is also a social sharing powerhouse. You can use the Ring Touch to share social contacts on almost all mainstream platforms, making it a great tool for dating and networking. And if that's not enough, it also functions as a wireless USB flash disk, allowing you to transfer files with just a touch. The possibilities with this ring are truly endless. You can use it to start up smart home devices, launch Apple shortcuts, or trigger the cloud server to make a call. The list goes on. And with its lightweight and waterproof design, you can take it with you wherever you go. But here's the kicker: the JAKCOM R5 is not just a cool gadget. It's also a powerful tool for improving your health and well-being. With dual energy stones to improve human EMFs, this ring is designed to enhance balance, strength, and speed. It's truly a small size with a large impact. So, if you're looking for a unique and practical gift for yourself or someone else, the JAKCOM R5 is the perfect choice. It's the best of the best when it comes to smart wearables, and I know you're going to love it. And the best part? You can get your hands on the JAKCOM R5 Smart Ring right now with the amazing Black Friday sale of 2022. Plus, free shipping is included. Just check out the link in the description to make this incredible piece of technology yours today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.